December 2nd, 2020 vocabulary. All right, so we're going to match the puzzle pieces to their correct measurement conversion. So we have yards, feet, and miles, and then inches. So if we look at our puzzle pieces here, 1 yard. Well, I'm not quite sure about that one yet. I do know what 1 foot equals. 1 foot is 12 inches, right? So one ruler, 1 foot long, is 12 inches. So I'm going to take my puzzle piece here, and I'm going to drag it up here. Perfect. All right, now, if 1 foot is 12 inches, then how many inches would 2 feet be? 2 feet would be 24 inches. You're going to double it. You're going to multiply it. Awesome. All right, now, here we go. So, yards and miles. So, 1 mile is going to be way longer than 1 yard. Yard is like a yardstick or a meter stick, you know, like teachers would use to point things and stuff like that. So, you wouldn't have a mile stick because that's like miles on the highway. That's long. So, yards is not going to be 5,280 feet. 1 yard is actually going to be 3 feet. So if you have 3 rulers, that will equal 1 yard. Last but not least, 1 mile is in fact 5,280 feet. And that is it for our vocab today. Great job.